Dear friends, today, I want to share with you 3 profound insights from the spiritual teachings that can transform our daily lives if we choose to experiment with them starting today. These insights are simple yet powerful, and they hold the potential to bring about a deeper sense of peace, purpose, and transformation within us. 1. The power of remembrance to lighten the soul. The first insight is about the transformative power of remembrance, in how it can lighten the soul. The teachings remind us that by placing all our sins, worries, and burdens before the eternal surgeon, which is the Supreme Soul, and staying in a state of remembrance, we can experience profound lightness and joy. This remembrance isn't just a fleeting thought, it's an active, conscious connection with the divine. A process that helps us to shed the burdens we've carried for lifetimes. By focusing on this today, we can begin to dissolve the heaviness that often clouds our minds and spirits. Imagine starting each day with a few moments of deep remembrance, letting go of all that weighs you down, and allowing yourself to feel the lightness and happiness that comes from this connection. It's an experiment worth trying, for it holds the key to a lighter existence. 2. Churn the knowledge of the world cycle. Knowledge of the world cycle, the understanding of the beginning, middle, and end of this drama. This churning is not merely intellectual, it's about internalizing and living with the awareness that everything in life is part of a grand, predetermined cycle. When we remember that we have gone through countless cycles, and that we are now at a unique point where we can gain great spiritual treasures, it changes our perspective on life. By keeping this awareness in our minds, we can remain detached yet involved, focused yet free from anxiety. Today, take time to reflect on the cyclical nature of life. Consider how this understanding can help you navigate your day with greater peace and less attachment to outcomes, knowing that everything is as it should be, and that your current efforts are sowing seeds for a beautiful future. 3. Surrender like Brahma Baba. The third and final insight is about the profound act of surrender like Brahma Baba. Surrender here means a deep, internal letting go not just of material possessions, but of all attachments, including those to our own bodies and identities. It's about dying alive, a concept that invites us to live with the awareness that everything, including our physical forms, is temporary. This level of surrender leads to true freedom, where the soul is no longer bound by the limitations of the physical world. Today, practice this by consciously releasing one attachment, be it a material object, a relationship, or an identity you hold dear. Notice the freedom and lightness that come with this act of surrender, and consider how embracing this mindset could transform your life. Conclusion. In conclusion, these 3 insights: remembrance that lightens the soul, churning the knowledge of the world cycle, and surrendering like Brahma Baba are not just spiritual ideals, they are practical tools we can experiment with in our daily lives. By applying them, we can start to experience a profound transformation within ourselves, leading to a life filled with greater peace, clarity, and purpose. Let's commit to trying these practices today and observe the changes they bring.